Yo, already the beginning of the new year. First day, January 1st. You see it. You see it. Still early. 8:52. I just felt like working on my car today, man. Let's do it. Time to install some new parts. Got some other control arms to replace my bad ones. Got these on Amazon for like 60, I think. You know what I'm saying? No brand. It's gonna work out though, because I see some good reviews on these. And these are for a 97 Civic. And as you can see, these are pretty bad. Look at that. There's no life left to them, no grease left. So, and this is when my control arm got stuck up here. Which was the worst, man. And the worst experience I ever had. Even trying to get it apart from up there too. But yeah, definitely need to change it, especially since I want to go low. Look what happened too. She was scraping bad, man. Messed up my tire. I get 2 new ones now. New max speed rides. Just recently put them on too. And yeah, just put some top hats on. Extended top hats to go even lower. Well, you know, you gotta take this inner ring out. And the castle nut. Hammer this. It should drop down. And there's 2 bolts should come out over there. Look at that shit. I got stuck. You're working on these old cars, you gotta have this on you, man. At all times. Learn my lesson.
The green beans made of you name it.
That works. Yeah, real shit. Look at the difference from a 97 Civic, 99 CRV. Look at that. Notice it came with new cotter pins. Yes, sir. 'Cause the old ones rusted and snapped off. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Woo. Like that, bro. Well, I was told to don't tighten the bolts all the way down until you lower the car. So we're gonna keep it loose like this once we lower the car, And that's when everything will get tightened down and stuff like that. You feel me? Working on cars is one hell of a thing, bro. I'm already tired. People probably looking at me crazy right now. And we're gonna tighten these bolts. You feel me? And that's how she sits. With the new control arms put in, I'm gonna lower it just a little bit more. Probably once I get some wheels and stuff, get a lower tire profile, I'm gonna slam this thing. But you know, I'm gonna have to do a lot of clearance work just to get it right, get the fitment right and all that. I'm sitting on some 2005 TL wheels and all that, but you know, they look right, don't they? Car looks good, right? Hope y'all enjoyed the video. It's my first YouTube. I don't know. I'm getting used to this. I'm gonna try to get used to this, to be in front of the camera and talking and all that. Getting different angles of this beautiful car. But I got more plans coming soon. I'm getting the cam arms, adjusting the fitment, wheels. A lot of good stuff coming this year. So stay tuned if you like that. If you into Hondas like I am, hey, like, comment, subscribe, enjoy.